A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. I hope you have understood your previous chapter very well. Okay, and you have completed the notes as well in your computer notebook. Today, we are moving forward to our next chapter, that is advanced features of word 2016. That is your fourth chapter. We will see the theory part as well as the practical part also. Okay, dear children. Now, what we will learn today, header and footer. How to insert the header and footer. In this advanced features of Word, we will learn how to insert the header and footer, how to add date and time, that is the current date and time, then how to add page numbers. Okay, dear children. Then we will just also learn the footnotes and the end notes also in the next video lesson. Okay, today we will learn how to insert the header and footer, how to insert date and time, and how to add page numbers. Okay, let's move on. The first one is the header and footer. Now, what is a header? The header is a section of the document that appears in the top margin. कहाँ पे appear होता है? In the top margin. Okay, जहाँ पे हम लोग heading डालते हैं. Header means heading, putting a heading in the Word document. While the footer is a section of the document that appears in the bottom margin. कहाँ पे आता है? Bottom margin में आता है. That appears in the bottom margin. Headers and footers are generally contain additional information such as page numbers, date, author's name, and footnotes, which can help keep longer documents organized and make them easier to read. Now, by adding this page number, dates, and author's name, it does our work easy. So that if we are having a more number of Word documents, so it makes our work easy to read and to refer through those documents. Okay. By default, header is printed 0.49 inches from the top of the page and footer is printed 0.49 inches from the bottom of the page. Now, by default, it is written there in the textbook 0.49 inches. But in your computer, in your laptop, there can be the different default size of the header and the footer. Okay, moving on to the next. Now, how we will add the date and time and how we will add page numbers, we will see now in practicals. Okay, let's move on to the practicals. Okay, this is your Word document. I will just click on blank document. This is your Word document. Okay, now how to add first of all header and footer we will learn. Okay, we will click on the insert tab. See here in the design tab, header, footer, page numbers, and here only date and time is given to you. Okay, in the insert tab, you will just click on the insert tab, header, footer, page number, and the date and time. I will just click on header first. Then you can choose any of these. Okay, the way which you like. आपको heading, आपका जो header है, आपको किस style में चाहिए, you can just click it here and you can select it. Okay, I will just click here. See, this is the header I have had it at the top of the page, at the top of the Word document. Now I will add the footer as well. Footer. Here also you can choose any of these, okay, according to you. I will just click on blank. See, I have here added the footer as well. Okay. Now, how you will add the page number? You will just click here on page numbers and you want at the top of the page or you want at the bottom of the page. Okay. Generally, page numbers are written at the bottom of the page. You want left alignment, center alignment or right alignment. Okay, it's up to you. I will just click on this. See, different names have been given to this alignments. Okay, I will just click on this. See here, you can see here the in the footer section the page number is being assigned. Now जैसे जैसे मैं word documents बनाती जाऊंगी, in the same way different page numbers will be assigned and I can assign different page numbers in the footer section. This document I have given one number, in the next document I can give it 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it makes my work easy. Okay, if I want to have a many of the Word documents, if I want to work with the words, okay, then I can add the header and the footer so that it makes my work easier. Okay, dear children, clear? Now we will just move on to the header section. Now, for typing here, for writing your like heading, we will just click here. Okay, we will just double click here. Then we will just write here. This is the topic which I am giving to you in your practicals today. Okay, famous monuments. Okay, in this way you will write the heading. Okay, then how you will close the header and footer, but just by clicking it. If you want to edit it or you want to delete it, you can just click on the header and the footer. See, famous monuments. Now, no changes can be made in this heading. Okay, if I want to delete it, I can delete it, but I can't make any changes in the text I have written here. See, in the down, there is the page number 1 shown to you here. Okay, dear children. Now, how to add the date and time? The place where you want to add the date and time, you will just move your cursor there. If I want to add the date and time here, I will just move my cursor there. Then I will again click on insert tab. Then in the insert tab, I will just click on date and time. Okay, this is the date and time. Now different formats are available to us. If you want the day, date, month, and as well as the year, I can choose this. Okay, now here is an option update automatically. If I want my Word document to update the date automatically, I will just click on it. Okay, means रोज खुद ही dates change होती जाएंगे. My Word document will be updated. Okay, it will be updated automatically. I don't have to change the date again and again. Okay, when I will open the Word document tomorrow, like tomorrow's date will be visible there. Okay, dear children, clear to you? अगर हम अपडेट ऑटोमेटिकली पे क्लिक करेंगे, हमारी डेट्स खुद ही चेंज होती जाएंगी. The computer will change the dates automatically. Okay, I will just click on OK. See here, the date is being mentioned the way the format which I selected here. Okay, dear children, you learned today three things: how to add header and footer, how to add page numbers, how to add the date and time. Header is the top of the page, footer is the bottom of the page. Okay, footer is the bottom of the page. Then in the header, you write the heading of your Word document, and in the footer, you write the author's name or the page numbers. Okay, as I have written the page number. Okay, now you can also add the date and time as well in your Word document. Clear to you? Okay, I am giving you a lab time which you will do. Okay. See, here's a lab time for you. Create a document in Word and write about some famous monuments. Insert relevant pictures and give famous monuments as header and page number as footer. Now, I have shown you how to add the header. Okay, and I have given you also shown you हम famous monuments heading में कैसे लिखेंगे. I have shown you in the practicals. Okay, and I have also shown you how to add the page number as footer. I hope these things are clear to you. Now, in this lab time, you have already studied how to add pictures in your previous chapter. Okay, you will just write 2-3 lines. You will just write about two monuments. Okay, two famous monuments you will write in the Word document. Okay, how you will write? You will just insert a picture of a famous monument. Okay, and you will write in a bullet list. You will write in a bullet list. You will, for each monument, at least you will write 2 points. Okay, where it is and it was made by who. Clear? For each and every monument, you will write 2 points with the help of a bullet list. I have already made you study in the previous video lesson. Is it clear to you, my dear children? I hope this topic is clear to you today. We will meet in the next video lesson. Okay. In this chapter only, we will learn something new. Till then, bye-bye and God bless you all. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, dear children. Bye.